everyone. So I totally forgot to I was watching Downton Abbey with my daughter, and I was like so into it I forgot to try out the Believe Beauty foundation and all of that. So I'm just gonna do a makeup look with it, and then next week I'll do use the foundation and everything when I use another one of the palettes. So I decided to do the Plush Purples. That's this one right here. And I used my the Kryolan Interference, the Aqua palette. I used Strauss Wine, which is like a purplified pink, as I call it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with that gorgeous purple on the lid. It is 80. Wow. Mrs. Dollar, she said that they go on darker than the palette shows, and she was not kidding. Wow. Wow, that's intense. Let's try this matte right here on as the crease color. OMG. It's like she was saying that the top is not the actual color, that once you start digging into it, it's actually much darker. She was not kidding. Wow, look how dark that is. I have 2 fans and the air conditioner, and I'm still sweating. That's how humid it is here in Texas. I think I'm gonna go with this pink, the pink color right there, which is, it's also matte. Not a lot of fallout, I have to say. This is really good quality for being $5 for 6, you know. Okay, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so I just realized that since this is my first time trying out this makeup, that I should just do it all on camera. Now I just tried, Emily also, she didn't like these. I just put this on and it's really not dark enough to show. I don't know, maybe when I take pictures you'll see. And I don't know, I mean, it is a little tiny bit hard to use, like to really get the product out, but anyway, you can't even, I don't think you can see anything. When I take the pictures, we'll see. So I think that my lids are dark enough for me to actually wear falsies, but to be honest with you, I'm like so angry that I didn't start out using everything that I just said I'm not even gonna bother, right? And I'm tired. I was out all day yesterday, so next week I'll be ready to use everything. I was just so into Downton Abbey. Now, this mascara, this is the Fiber mascara. I already put 1 coat, and this is my 2nd coat. Maybe, you know, I'm gonna go closer. Okay. So I don't know if you can barely see that line. And it was, you know, I thought that it, you know, I didn't realize it was gonna be so dark. So maybe if you use a, you know, lighter color, it would probably show more. Next week I'll try the black. But this mascara, I'm gonna go to 3 coats now. I really didn't expect much. What? Okay. The third coat. The third coat seems to be, it's a fiber mascara. And those seem to work well on me. Okay. I mean, I'm probably going to have to apply. I got all mascara under here because I poked my eye by accident trying to really coat the lashes. As usual, I always get mascara in my inner eye. I'm going to have to fix that. But it is building up. I mean, not as good as the other ones where you have to put the fiber and then the mascara and then the fiber and then the mascara. But this is like 5 coats and it's decent. Okay. Let's this is the plum. Let me see what's one. Fancy plum. That's pretty intense. Definitely I'm gonna try to tone that down. Look at that. Wow. Oh. I'm definitely going to tone that down. I mean, I did get the darkest. They had pink and plum. And then they had like more neutral colors. Pop of pink. Ooh, nice. Nice. Always put a little bit right here. I know, I just don't do well with bronzers. I can only use them as people put it here, and sometimes I put it up here, but I like to put my highlight here. I learned that in Mary Kay, and I felt that it really gave my face a nice, more youthful lift. My double chin, you know that since they took off my belly, now I noticed the fat is accumulating on the flaps of the skin that I had on my thighs and in my chin. I shouldn't even have this big a chin at the weight I am since I've lost weight. Very frustrating. But anyway, I'm very self-conscious about my double chin, but it is what it is. Okay. Let me pull out a little bit and okay, so this is the eyeliner. Oh wow. It's a really red plum color. So I pulled in a little bit because I think I was too far before. It's a very, very red. I don't know, maybe when I'm all cleaned up and done. And let's try the lips. I noticed I didn't put the colors up last week. I think this one's called Mesmerize or something. Right. Nice. So yeah, last time I lost this much weight, my face slimmed down. But now it just seems to be puffy still. I guess that's just how my body works. It's got to go wherever it's got the little bit of skin hanging, and that's where it wants to go. That is beautiful. I love that. It's a nice deep mauve. I love it. All right, let me finish my makeup. And then I'm going to see how this feels. I used the micellar wipes. I thought it was lovely. I'm gonna test it to take off my makeup. I don't expect it to remove mascara. Wipes alone don't remove mascara. I think only the Yes 2 were good at it, I think. You need to use, put on a mascara, oily eye makeup remover. The Pop of Pink. So I put a little bit down my nose on the sides, and I always tone it down with the powder. Pencil liner, which I did on the bottom, might look kind of weird for some people. It was, I forgot to put white. I'll probably do it for the pictures and see if maybe that helps, but I don't like when women put pinks or reds in the waterline or under the lash line. It just makes them look sick. So it was just I just felt it was too red. So the lip liner was nice with the plum one. And this gorgeous, I love it. It went on wonderfully. It went on really, really nice. And what I was trying to do was test out to see if it made my lips feel dry. And it's not. It's a moisturizing. It's one of those moisturizing liquid lips. I don't know if it's transfer proof. Not really. You can still see it on my hand. So I love it. I was gonna put this over it, but it's so nice. It's just so nice. I don't feel the need. So all in all, I am very pleased with this. Next week I will use the entire collection, but all in all, I am very pleased with this. This is really good quality makeup for being $5 or less. Not like the 7-Eleven irritated my eyes a little bit. What I forgot to tell you about the 7-Eleven makeup is that one of the stores told me they're discontinuing it. That's what but I go off on tangents as usual. And the other 7-Eleven somewhere out in, it's on Sugarland, they said they don't think they're going to discontinue it, but it is on sale, buy one, get two free. So, the one nearest me says they think they are discontinuing it. So, I think buy one, get two free is an excellent deal, but their makeup is also, it's more in the $3 range, but some things are like $6, some things are $5, some things are $3, and it's not as good quality, I would say, as this at all. So I'm hooked. Every time I go out, I always pick up something new. I want to get more of the lip products. I got another eyeshadow palette. I got 2 more of the glimmer pots, which I'll be trying on some of that next week. Yeah, but it does get pricey. I'm just really glad that my card was filled up again. It's like I said, it's like a gas reimbursement program. If your state has it, it's for when you have a family member or a friend that you drive for, that's on disability or whatever, they will reimburse you for the gas. It's not a lot, but I rack up like that. That's how I got a lot of my makeup, because I have, I accumulate it, and then when I want, and that's what I did with this, because I think I've spent about $200 so far getting stuff, and I just, thank God I had it on my card. I want to get some more stuff. I gotta wait till the next paycheck. But yeah, that and PayPal, payment plan I just feel really blessed to be able to have that. But yeah, I want to get, I got the blue eyeshadows. Not sure if I'm going to get the 4th one, but I want to get some more lip products. I'm going to, next paycheck, going to check into it's just really hard to see the lipsticks, And I've been trying to find swatches, and not many people have like swatches of all of it. So anyway, I'm pleased. I am very pleased with it. Very pigmented, very pretty. Just, it doesn't irritate me, and I love this. I really, really love this. So, yeah.